Little storyteller.
Coral the little mermaid had bright blue eyes and a tail that shimmered like a rainbow. Every day, she swam around the colorful coral gardens, greeting her friends. One sunny morning, she found a big, swirly seashell. It wasn't just any shell. It was magic. When Coral spoke into it, her voice could be heard all over the reef. "Hello, everyone in the reef," Coral said into the seashell. Her voice floated through the water, reaching every fish, every starfish, and even the sleepy sea turtles. A little yellow fish with big fins, named Finny, heard her. So did Shelley, a shy seahorse with a swirly tail. Coral decided to start a seashell radio show. Every day, she would share news about the reef, like when the tasty seaweed was growing, or when the shiny pebbles moved to a new spot. She also played bubbly songs by tapping on smooth stones with her fingernails. One day, Coral wanted to interview a grumpy crab named Pinchy. Pinchy had a hard, bumpy shell and always walked sideways. He lived in a little cave under a big anemone. Coral swam over to Pinchy's cave. "Hello, Pinchy," she said cheerfully. Pinchy peeked out with his googly eyes. Coral asked Pinchy about his day. Pinchy grumbled a little about a slippery stone and a noisy clam, but then he talked about finding a shiny button. He sounded a little less grumpy by the end of the interview. All the creatures listening to the Seashell Radio learned that even grumpy crabs can have interesting days. Every day, Coral shared happy stories and cheerful music. Her Seashell Radio made everyone in the reef feel connected and happy. They learned about each other and about the wonderful world around them. It showed everyone that talking and sharing can bring smiles to everyone, even grumpy crabs.
Please subscribe. Thank you.